So it's ready after 10 minutes.
940.
That's supposed to show. Thank you. Thank you. I'm keeping you out of the video. Well, let's go to the second floor. You want to be in the video? Don't go too fast. Let me go first. Let me go first. I'll get the cute girls. Remember, don't be in a hurry. Don't bump into me. No, don't bump into me. Okay, wait. We'll go up again. Moscow is not good for handicaps. Not a single place to sit. Let me go back down. Let me go back down. Hey, you want to be in the video or not? Let's sit where? There's nowhere to sit. Let's take the table for those girls.
It's fixed.
Yeah, I know. I don't want to have a scandal. Are you going to be in the video? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, how am I going to do this? All right, so here's the meal.
Thank you, Bert.
Here's the orange, which was not any extra. Here is the Coke Zero, which probably isn't Coke Zero. It probably just is some knockoff that tastes terrible. Oh, this is the heavy one. This is definitely yours. Can you open yours? I actually wanted to get you this.
Which one is mine?
Oh, that is yours by far. That is a lot of beef. But can you show it to the camera? Can you open it up? Oh wow, that is pure cholesterol goodness. Okay, and I got, on the other hand, I love Moscow. I love Russia. I got this thing with undercooked meat. Does it look cooked? I don't know. Does it look cooked to you?
Just taste. Don't touch.
It's cooked. Slava Bog. Because Russians love to eat salo, which is uncooked. Okay, and then we got French fries. There's no labels yet. They're going to do labels later. That's what they say. And later they're going to actually do the Big Mac also. So I'm hungry, and my dear student's annoyed at me. So we're gonna end this video. Cheers. Nazarovi. We should do a toast. You want to give a Russian toast? Okay. What is usually the first toast?
We should drink alcohol.
Okay, what's usually the first toast? To women or to peace?
Peace.
To women, to peaceful women. Okay.